Welcome to this tutorial where I will guide you on how to see the supplier ledger in Xero. If you want to keep track of what you owe to your suppliers and review all your supplier transactions, this is the perfect guide for you. I will take you through the simple steps to access this information quickly in Xero. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you are logged in and on the main dashboard, look at the top menu and find the word Reporting. Click on Reporting to open the Reports menu. After clicking on Reporting, you will see a list of report options. To find the supplier ledger, we will first need to open to the full list of reports. Look for the option that says All Reports and click on it. This will bring up a large list of all the reports available in Xero. At this point, you should see a search bar at the top or near the report list. Click inside the search bar and type in the words General Ledger Detail. This is the report that will help us see all detailed transactions, including supplier transactions. After typing General Ledger Detail, Xero will filter the available reports and show the one you need. Click on the report called the General Ledger Detail to open it. When the General Ledger Detail report opens, you will see different options to customize it. The first thing to do is to choose the date range for the transactions you want to view. You can select a particular month, a quarter, or set custom dates depending on when you want to see supplier transactions from. Next, you want to filter the report to only show transactions related to your suppliers. To do this, look for the option called Account. Click on the Account drop-down menu. This menu lists all your accounts in Xero. Scroll through this list and find the Accounts Payable or Suppliers account. This account holds all your outstanding bills and payments to suppliers. Select the Accounts Payable or Suppliers account. Now the report will be filtered to only show the details involving your suppliers. This way, you will only see invoices, credit notes, payments, or adjustments related to suppliers. If you want to look at a specific supplier, you can also use the Contact filter. This filter allows you to select one supplier from your contact list to see only their transactions. After applying these filters, the report will update and show the detailed transactions in your supplier ledger. You will see entries like bill dates, invoice numbers, descriptions, debits, credits, and balances. These details help you understand how much you owe each supplier and the history of transactions. If you want to keep a copy of this report, you can export it. Look for the Export button, usually at the top or bottom of the report. Click Export and you can choose to save the report as a PDF or Excel file. This is very useful for sharing with your accountant or for record keeping. To sum up, accessing the supplier ledger in Xero involves going to Reporting, then All Reports, searching for General Ledger Detail, setting the date range, filtering by the Accounts Payable account, and optionally filtering by supplier contact. This report shows all your supplier transactions in detail. That is all for this tutorial. Now you know how to see the supplier ledger in Xero. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Have a great day.